Hi, I'm Vivian Drew from Vista Del Lago High School. I developed an Android phone app called Jump High to encourage athletes and people to resume their daily exercise more regularly and more safely during the pandemic. By monitoring users' jump signals, it is possible to prevent potential early injury. Pandemic caused many physical restrictions for people and reduced everyone's physical exercise levels, which impacted our own physical and mental health. That's why I developed Jump High, a user-friendly portable app to record our kinetic performance that can help us see our personal physical progress and encourage many others to exercise more and improve. I learned and used Android Studio and Java to develop this app. The app takes advantage of the accelerometer sensor available on everyone's cell phone that tracks gym users' jump parameters in real time during their daily training or exercise. Here's a quick demonstration of the app. First, you're going to open up the Jump High app. The first screen shows a user instruction on how to position and hold the phone while measuring their jumps. I also added a voice instruction to help make the user easily understand the instructions. After the user is prepared to measure the jumps, push the start button. Now you can see the real-time accelerator chart in all three axes where the user's movements are accurately reflected in real time. After the user completes the exercise, you can press the Stop and Save Data button. The app will stop and save all of the accurate movement acceleration data into the cloud in Google Drive, which is only accessible by you, which adds to the privacy protection. Now you can press the Result button, which will show you all of the exercise data and analyze the outcome with the average time in the air, average jump height, and peak propulsion, just to name a few. After that, you can press another button called History, which will display your last 5 days exercise data that can be used to detect if there's any sign of injury, reflected by any unusual spikes in the recent jump propulsion, etc. There are many challenges and issues during my development. Many of my school friends helped me test the app, and I found that the detection of jump data varies significantly for different phone models. After carefully analyzing the failing collected data in Excel, I realized that each phone's accelerometer sampling rates are very different, which changes the results. Then I found a function to detect the phone's sensor sampling rate and used it to normalize the results, which helped generate consistent results even if the phone's sensors were very different. Encouraged by the working app of the first generation, I was planning to extend the app to be accessible by more people. To help the visually impaired, for example, I was thinking of improving the app to use more voice-based commands and responses. For example, adding the support to have the app speak out the results in a voice and alert users if there are any unusual changes occurring in today's exercise. This way, we can help visually impaired people use the app in their exercise. I open sourced the Jump High app free on GitHub, and you can download it to any cell phone to start using it for your exercise. You feel free to provide any new improvement to the GitHub, and we can improve it for our lives together. Thank you.